Imagine a city, breathtakingly beautiful, sculpted directly into towering sandstone cliffs. Petra, the ancient Nabatean city in Jordan, is a wonder of the world, but have you ever stopped to wonder why it was carved from rock instead of built with traditional materials? It's a question with a fascinating answer, rooted in ingenuity and necessity. Today, we'll explore the remarkable reasons behind Petra's unique construction. We'll delve into the Nabateans' mastery of water management, their strategic location, and the incredible engineering feats that allowed them to transform solid rock into a thriving metropolis. Get ready to uncover the secrets of this incredible ancient city. The primary reason Petra was carved is directly linked to the Nabateans' incredible water engineering skills. Living in a desert environment, water was incredibly scarce. Carving structures directly into the rock allowed them to capture and channel rainwater, creating sophisticated cisterns and aqueducts. This ingenious system provided a reliable water supply, supporting a large population and lush gardens, a vital advantage in a harsh landscape. The Seek, the narrow gorge leading to Petra, itself acted as a natural water channel, demonstrating their understanding of the terrain. Secondly, Petra's location offered unparalleled strategic advantages. Nestled within towering sandstone cliffs, the city was naturally fortified, providing protection from invaders. Carving into the rock further enhanced this defense, making it incredibly difficult to attack. The Nabateans were skilled traders, controlling vital caravan routes, and Petra's hidden location allowed them to safeguard their wealth and maintain their independence. Building with traditional materials would have been far less secure. Finally, consider the sheer practicality. Sandstone, while challenging to work with, was readily available. Transporting massive stone blocks for construction would have been incredibly difficult and resource-intensive. Carving in situ directly from the existing rock was a far more efficient and sustainable method. The treasury, Al-Khazneh, is a prime example, showcasing the Nabateans' ability to create intricate facades with remarkable precision, all from a single, massive rock face. So, Petra wasn't just carved for beauty, but out of necessity, strategic brilliance, and incredible engineering prowess. The Nabateans' mastery of water management, their fortified location, and the practicality of utilizing the existing rock all contributed to this architectural marvel. If you found this exploration of Petra fascinating, be sure to like this video and leave a comment sharing your favorite fact. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into ancient history and incredible civilizations.